Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to work on updating the user data in this proctl project. But before working on this, let me just show you, as you can see here, that I am currently present in the proctl repository, and inside this repository, this is the readme file that Dean has updated. And the first thing that I will do, I will pull the data from this GitHub repository into my local repository. Alright, so what I need to do is to first of all go to this Visual Studio Code, and as you can see here that this is a readme file that is currently empty, and let me just close it for you. And after that, what I will do, I will write git remote v, and this will show me the remote repository link from here. Alright, so let me just copy it for you, and after that what I will do, clear this, and after that let's write git what you can say, git pull and the remote link, and then the branch name is master. So let's press enter on this. Now what it will do, it will pull the data from the GitHub repository to the local repository, and after that if I open this readme file for you, you will see that all the data that is currently updated here. Alright, so this is how it will work. After that, let me just clear it for you, and after that let's go up and write git log. Now you can see that this is the data that the Dean has updated into my project. So all the log files and all the the pull request and the data, that it is updated here. All right, so let me just close it for you, clear it, and after that go down. And now the thing that I'm working on is to update the user data in this proctl project. So first of all, let me just update this variable name, that is not date, it is user data. So let's write user data. So this is my mistake. All right, so user data here. Now this minor change has happened. After that, what I will do, I will work on this update user. Previously I have worked on the update profile, but now I am going to work on the update user, because from the sign up table I will be updating the full name and the account name. So the first thing that I need to do is to handle the error properly. Middleware handle error, this is the function that I have created in my previous video, so you can check them out. And after that, let's give this variable name also, handle the error, like this. And after that, what I need to do is to give the conditions, the same condition like here. All right, but just the Redis database or the values will be changed, but the functionality will be the same. All right, so I will show you. First of all, what I need to do is to write if length of value 0 is not equal to 0, then what you can do is to copy this and paste it here. All right, and before this, what I will write Redis set account, and the account account full name. All right, and the account full name would be value 0. All right, so the value 0 is the account full name, value 1 is the account name, and the value 2 is the active status, that whether the user is logged in or not, whether the user is verified or not. All right, after that let's write get account name. All right, get account name like this, Redis get like the account info and then the account name. Right, so basically what I will do, I will keep the value 0 as it is, and I will save this value in the database as a new value. All right, because the previous value will be removed, and as a result the new value will be saved in the database so that I can use it further. All right, and after that what I will do, I will remove the value 1, and instead of value 1 I will write account name, get account name. All right, from the database. All right, so this is how it will work. Basically it will check whether the which value is entered. So if a user has updated this value 0 or the full name, then this value will be changed as a new value, and this value will also be stored in the Redis database. After that, the get account name will be the same, and I will get this get account name from the Redis, and it will be printed here. All right, and the value 2, I will give the value 2 here inside this update or go file that is present inside the profile directory. So I will work on this, but before this, the two things that you need to keep in mind, that this value, that is the new value 0, it will also be stored in the Redis database, and it will be printed here into the MySQL database. And after that, this get account info, basically it is the old value that will be stored as it is in the Redis database. If I didn't write this value like this, all right, so if I didn't write this value, so in the result would be in the MySQL database, it will not show me the data of the get account name. So this is the point that I need you to remember. All right, so after that what I need to do is to work on this, like paste it here, and after that the next value is value 1. all right, and after that let's remove this full name, and let's write full name here, account full name, and instead of writing full account name I will write full name like this. all right, so yeah, full name, but instead of writing full name here I will remove this, and after that I will put the value 1 here. all right, like this. So now this is the full name that will be used here, that will be present in the MySQL database as it is, but the new value, that is the value 1, sorry, this is the value 1, the value 1 will be updated here in the MySQL database, and it will also be saved in the Redis database as a new value. all right, so this is the same functionality that I have shown you in my previous video when I was working on the update profile, but just the variable names are changed, the functionality are the same. all right, so the functionality is the same, but only the variable names are changed in it. So basically if I didn't write this get full name, that what it will do, it will update the data in the MySQL database by not entering the account full name. Why? Because I have kept this full name empty. So if I write like this, then it will update the data and it will not work on this full name. Instead it will just change the value 0, value 1 and value 2. Here it will change the value 0 and value 2, but the account name will be present as it is because I have not changed it. So this is the reason that you need to keep in mind. all right, so yeah, let me just check it for you so that whether it is fine or not. Account full name, account name. all right, so yeah, so after that what I need to do is to go to the update.go file that is present inside this profile directory. So yeah, as you can see here that it is updating the profile also, so I will work on updating the user. So let me just keep it down, and after that what I need to do is to go to the verify.go file, and inside this file what I will do, I will copy these things, and after that first thing I need to do is to first of all copy this value because these two values are missing. So let's write profile full name, all right, and after that profile account name like this, right, and after that I will simply write the full name and the account name. So these are the flags that I have just written in my previous video, but I have not called them. all right, so I will call them like this, and after that I will use them so that they can be updated. So after that what I need to do is to write let's copy this data and 2 times, and after that what I need to do is to write account password like this, and let's remove this account like it in capital letter and just write in small letter account password, and after that let's write what you can say verification code. all right, verification code that will also be used when I want to verify the account. all right, so let's write verification code. After that let's change the account email in a small letter, and now what I need to do is to go to this verify.go file and copy the data and paste it here like this. all right, and just copy this if statement, remove it from here, and what you can do is to write like this account name in small letter and copy paste the if statement here. all right, like this. Verification code should be this verification, not get verification code. all right, so now what it does, it will basically check that whether the user is verified or not. If the user is not verified, as it is shown here that the MySQL status is equal to 0, so if the user is not verified, then what it will do, it will update the user, but it will not change the status. all right, so what do I mean by this? So let me just update write it for you. User data and like this string, and the first value would be account profile full name, profile, what you can say, profile account name, and the status would be 0. All right, so the profile name can be changed or the profile account name can be changed, but the status will not be changed because the user is not verified. All right, and similarly, let me just update it for you. So MySQL update user, and after that let's write user data and account email and account password. So the update user functionality require the account email and the account password in order to update the user. All right, but in the profile functionality I have shown you that it is only demanding the account email. So this is the difference. After that, let me just copy it for you, and if the user is let's say verified. All right, so in this case the user was not verified, but it was updating all these things except this 0 value. But now the user is verified, so I will check, give the condition if the MySQL status is equal to 1. So what it will do, it will check that if the user is verified and the verification code is empty, then what it means that the user is verified, and I will change this value from 0 to 1 like this. Now all the data will be the same except this 0 and 1. All right, and similarly this value 2 that I have inserted here. All right, the status will be changed from here, but the values will be changed from here. All right, so this is the thing that you need to keep in mind, and that's the reason that I have written the if else statement here. And for updating other values like account name and full name, I have written the if else statement here. All right, so let me just save it here and save it here. So let's write go install. All right, so let's clear this and go to the MySQL database. The first thing that I need to do is to write select from profiles, and now you can see that this is the veins tree profile that is currently present in the file type sign up. You will see that this account is not verified. All right, and the data is present here. So what I will do, I will work on this even if the account is not verified. So I will update this data. So let me just write it for you, like what you can say, proctl. Sorry, the text is written not properly. So first of all, what I will do, I will delete it. New terminal, MySQL u2 like this, and after that use proctl. This is the project name, and after that what you can say is to first of all, let me just show you the sign up data so that you can better understand. Select from sign up. After that, as you can see here, that this is the account name, this is the full name. So yes, so let's write proctl update, and what you need to do is to update the full name or the account name. So I will work on updating the full name. So the full name is hello world. As you can see here, the full name is hello world. So I will change the hello world from to veins tree. So let's write veins tree. Now you can see, give the flags. So yeah, so I need to give the flags, but I have given them. So why it is not working for me? Let's check it. Alright, so I have forgotten to give the flags here, because now on the profile title, the profile phone, the profile location, and the profile working status, these flags are given, but these two flags should also be given in it. So let's write profile full name like this. First of all, let's copy them like this and like this. Alright, let's write profile full name and the profile what you can say account name. Now except these profile, except these variables, other profiles will be rejected except these one. All right, so let's write like this, go install, and now let's clear this and write the veins tree. All right, now you can see the profile data is successfully updated. So if I show you, now you can see that the hello is present as it is except this veins tree, but the account is not verified. All right, so after that, let me just change the account name, like account name is veins, but the hello is changed, will be changed with the vains. Alright, so this is how it will work. Now what I need to do is to update this. I clear this. So let's write the proctl verify in order to verify it, and then I will work on the update functionality. So let's press enter on this. Now it will ask me for my password, so let's open the Gmail account. Alright, this is the account name address. Alright, so let's copy this and paste it here. Alright, so now the account is successfully verified. If I show you, as you can see here, that the account is verified now, it is showing me that the account is active. So if I change the data, like again, proctl full name, like hello world, again, like this. Now if I show you, you can see that the hello world vains tree is changed to hello world. Similarly, if I change the account name from vains to hello only, so if I type hello, you will see that this is the hello, this is changed here. So even if the account is verified or not, it will allow the data to be changed or to be updated. Alright, so this is how it will work. After that, what I need to do is to write git status, because the work is done here. So these are the 3 files that are modified here, as you can see here. So yeah, so let's write git add dot and git commit m worked on updating the user data. All right, now if I write git status, you will see that the tree is clean. If I type git push origin master, now what it will do, it will update the data in the database, in the repository. So currently there are 23 commits. So if I refresh this, you will see that there are 24 commits. All right, so all the data is the same because I have pulled the data already. So yeah, so if I press show you, this is the data, and these are the changes that Dean has sent the pull request to me. All right, so yeah, so this is how it will work. So I hope you like this video and understand it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.